Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 57, Introduction to Trigonometry, Section A, Easy. Let's start. If sin theta plus cos theta equals to A and sec theta plus cosec theta equals to B, then the value of B into A square minus 1 is. Remember few things. Cosec theta is inverse of sine, sec is inverse of cos, and cot is inverse of tan. We'll convert B into simpler ones because sec cosec is difficult to handle. 1 upon cos plus 1 upon sine. Okay. Now what we want? B into A square minus 1. So B into A square minus 1 equals to what is B? 1 upon sine theta plus 1 upon cos theta into what is A square? Sine theta plus cos theta the whole square minus 1. So solve it. Cross this. Cos theta plus sin theta upon sin theta cos theta into, solve this now, a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 1, right? So, but sin square plus cos square theta is equals to, that is 1. See these three identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, 1 plus tan square equals to sec square, 1 plus cot square equals to cosec square. So we get this left hand side as it is, cos theta plus sin theta upon sin cos, and this becomes 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1, right, equals to cos theta plus sin theta upon sin theta cos theta into 1 gone, 2 sin theta cos theta. Solve this, you get 2 into cos theta plus sin theta. But what is cos theta plus sin theta? It's given that it is 1. So answer is 2a. Sorry, it is given as a. Therefore, the answer is 2a. Okay. Next, let's solve this. Root 3 plus 2 cos a upon 1 minus 2 sin a, the whole raised to minus 3, plus 1 plus 2 sin a upon root 3 minus 2 cos a, the whole raised to minus 3. Now we have to solve this. It means what? Firstly, convert this. To watch the videos further, kindly download Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.